Okay, so what I suggest you do, and I should have said that in the last video, is pause this video and have a go at this problem. Alright, so I'm assuming you paused it. So, let's do what we normally do, which is underline our keywords. Okay, write in the form. So we've got this expression here, we've got this expression, write in the form a root 2. Now that's the big clue. We have to look at a root 2. And the first thing I'm going to look at is, well, that's the easy thing. This is not in the form a root 2, this part here. So I'm going to change that first. Let's just get rid of that square so you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to change that first. So let's do that over here. So 2 root 50. Now 2 root 50, I must have a root 2 in there. And that gives me a big clue. One of these, when I factorize this, one of these must be a square number. I know one of them is root 2 because that's the question. It tells me here in the question root 2. So 25 is a square number, and 25 times 2 is root 50. And also square root of 25 is 5, so we have 2. I've got a dot there for times. 2 times 5 times root 2. I put a dot because 1, yes, it means times, and 2, it's easy to write when you've got fat hands like me. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 root 2. So this simplifies to 10 root 2. So that's the first part done, and that kind of gives me some kind of indication of where I'm going, and it gets me a few marks. So now I'm going to change colour. Let's change to, what should we change to? Boring black. So the next thing I'm going to deal with is fraction here, 26 over 2, 26 over root 2, sorry, 26 over root 2. And we can also almost look at, and without even writing it out, we can look at that, that's root 18. So let's kind of take care of root 18 first. So root 18, let's change colour, I like changing colour. We've got, we have no blue. So root 18, and again, we know from the question we must have it as a root 2. So we factorise 18 to give us, and one of them must be 2. So the other one must be root 9. So root 9 times root 2 is root 18, and you're all going, So the square root of 9 is 3, so we're 3 root 2. Alright. So now if I write this out, I end up with 12 over 3 root 2. 3 root 2. Now I might do 12 divided by 3. I think that would make my life so much easier. I want black, I want black, I want black. So I'm going to go to 26 over root 2. Right? I don't know how many of these videos I'm going to have time to make. 26 over root 2 minus. Well, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I'm going to take away 4 over root 2. Okay, 12. So all I've got to do really is 26 minus 4. And 26 minus 4 will give me 22 over root 2. Over root 2. Over root 2. Okay. So we've got 22 over root 2. And we come back. Now this is that simplified. We come back to plus 10 over root 2. And now we've got a problem. One's a fractions, one's not. And straight away I kind of look at this and I think, you know what, I might go for rationalising the denominator, so I'm going to change colour. I'm going to change colour. Pink. I've done pink. To finish turquoise colour, so times by root 2. I want to times the top by root 2. And what I end up at this point is 22 root 2 at the top of my fraction. And at the bottom, root 2 times root 2, which is this root 2 times root 2, gives me 2. And with that, I end up with 22 divided by 2, which is 11 root 2. Plus 10 root 2. And I end up with 10 and 11. 21. Root 2. 21 root 2. Haha! I got 4 marks. Woohoo! Right. Maybe I'll see you next time.